Vaccine for today. Are you ready? It won't hurt. Okay. Here's your snack.
Thank you po, Doc.
Wow, you're so strong, huh? Nice.
Okay, ko na yung next. Vaccine na para sa flu season, okay? Dito masakit. Hindi. Hindi nga masakit, huwag kang gumalaw. Okay. Ito sa'yo.
Chips.
Thank you. Next.
The result shows you have a shrimp allergy. You can't eat shrimp for life. Doc, but I like shrimp.
Hoy, Becky, bantayan mo yun si B-Boy, ha? Bawal yan kumain ng shrimp. Okay? B-Boy, bawal yung shrimp sa'yo. Mahilig ka ba sa tempura, ha? Akin na lang yun. B-Boy, is that shrimp fried rice?
Yeah, you want some?
Bawal ka niyan! Mama! Si B-Boy! Becky, yung antidote! Dok, kamusta?
Only have 2050 to live.
Matagal pa pala. Yes!
The result shows you have a chips allergy. You can't eat chips for life. What? I love chips, Doc.
O, Becky, bantayan mo yung kapatid mo, ha? Bawal ang chips. No chips. Sabi ko na eh, ang dami mo kasi kumain ng chips. Bawal na tuloy sa'yo.
Huwag kayo maniniwala nyo sa doktor na yun. I love chips.
I love chips, ha?
Oh, Mama!
Good morning po, Doc.
A good day. How are you?
Magpapacheck up lang po ako. Sakit po kasi ng ulo ko eh. Kakakain ng junk foods.
Okay. I'll give you some medicine, okay? Okay, buy this medicine outside.
Ano po to, Doc?
They will understand.
Sige po, Doc. Hi, welcome to the pharmacy. Ano sa'yo? Paracetamol tsaka vitamin C. Okay.
The results are, you have a nut allergy. You can't eat nuts for life. Okay po, Doc.
Hoy, Becky, bantayan mo yan si B-Boy, ha? Bawal yan kumain ng may nuts. No nuts, okay? Okay, Mami. Uy, bawal ka pala ng peanut. Uy, bawal ka niyan. Mama! Si B-Boy! Ito na, antidote. No more nuts for you! Okay?
Okay, the result shows, bawal ka muna kumain ng sweets. Okay? Okay po, Doc. Ow.
B-Boy, galing kang dentist.
Oo.
Bawal ka sa sweets, di ba?
Bawal.
Sarap pa naman ito.
Bayan, dun ka nga kumain sa ibang lugar.
Gusto mo?
Oo.
Di pwede!
The result shows you're lactose intolerant. You can't eat cheese for life. Doc, but I like cheese.
Becky, bantayan mo yun si B-Boy, ha? Bawal ang cheese dyan. No cheese. Okay? Okay po, Mami. Ayan, ang lakas mo kasi kumain sa cheese whiz, eh. Bawal ka tuloy sa cheese. B-Boy, bawal sa'yo yan, ha? Cheese yan.
Aray, sakit na ang tiyan ko.
Yan, tuloy na tayo ka.
Okay, vaccine day. This won't hurt. Next.
Dok, ito na po yung vaccine. Yung red po para sa animals.
What's that, nurse?
Naturok niyo na po?
Huh?